rental of safe house. 11 days nag-rent ang Office of the Vice President ng safe houses from December 21 to 31. 16 million in 11 days. Divided by the number of days, 2 million a day ang binayad ng Office of the Vice President para lang sa rental ng safe house. Extravagant.
Maluho.
Ang nakalagay dito, bongga kaday. Extravagant. Bongga. Ang tawag ko lang doon, hindi prima facie evidence. Kung akong tatanungin, scam ito.
Move to strike.
No
Your
further
Honor.
questions.
Move to strike. That is out of order, Your Honor.
No further questions, Your Honor.
So stricken.
Move to strike.
So stricken from the record.
Ngayon, Mr. Witness, sinabi mo kahapon at ngayon na ang basis ng inyong post-audit or compliance audit ay ang joint circular.
Yes, ma'am.
2015 ng 5 government agencies. Kasama dyan ang COA, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
If I show you at babasahin ko, the COA, pakibasa. COA, babasahin ko na lang. O ikaw, basahin mo na lang, please. COA shall, COA shall promulgate accounting and auditing rules and regulations, including those for the prevention of irregular, unnecessary, excessive, extravagant, or unconscionable expenditures or uses of government funds and property. You confirm, Mr. Witness?
Based on this joint circular po, yes, ma'am.
If I ask you, sa mga sinubmit na documents ng Vice President, and I will, for purposes of summarizing, purchase of information, 14 million. Reward payment, 10,050,000. Rental of safe house, 11 days nag-rent ang Office of the Vice President ng safe houses from December 21 to 31. 16 million in 11 days. Divided by the number of days, 2 million a day ang binayad ng Office of the Vice President para lang sa rental ng safe house. Payment of reward, various, 34,857,000. Meron din. Purchase supplies, 11,813,000. Payment of rewards, Mr. Witness, 24 million. No, 10 million. Payment of rewards. Rewards in medicine, in kind. 24,930,000, Mr. Witness. Payment of rental of transfer vehicles related allegedly to confidential activities. 10 million pesos. Tables and chairs, 500,000 pesos. Desktop computers and printers, 3 million pesos. You confirm that, Mr. Witness?
Do you confirm, Mr. Ramil?
Yes, yes, Your Honor po.
Okay. Based on Section 1. I-translate ko na lang. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Irregular. I'm sorry. This is my last question. Medyo limited ang aking Tagalog no, or Pilipino. Ang pagkaintindi ko sa irregular kaduda-duda. Tama? Kaduda-duda, irregular. Unnecessary sa Pilipino. Unnecessary, hindi kailangan.
Irregular is hindi palagi, hindi kinagawian.
Yeah.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Irregular. Kasi ang
Council
alam
for
ko...
respondent, you agree? Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Yes, Your Honor, I agree.
Unnecessary. Hindi kailangan. Excessive, lavish. Extravagant.
Maluho.
Oho.
Ang nakalagay dito, bongga kaday. Extravagant. Bongga, extravagant. At lastly, unconscionable. Sabi na Attorney Virgil, kasuklam-suklam. Unconscionable. Okay, Mr. Witness, sa binasa natin, Section 1, saan, if at all, itong mga binasa ko, saan babagsak itong...
Question, objection, Your Honor. Question calls for a conclusion.
Okay.
In relation to his observation only, not as to the conclusion of law, given that the is not a final disposition
We submit.
of the
In-
matter
in-
at hand.
In relation to your observation and based on the audited documents, will it fall, if any, under any of this enumeration?
Yes, ma'am. Under po the irregular expenditures.
Irregular.
Dahil irregular po siya dahil hindi po siya compliant or hindi po siya hindi po siya compliant with the provisions of the Joint Circular 2015-01, which is an issuance po of the COA, the DBM, the DILG, the GOCC, GCG, and the Department of National Defense rather.
Okay, and my last question to you, Mr. Witness. Let us go now to paragraph 8.3 of the Joint Circular. Please read paragraph 8.3.
Under item 8.3, failure of the accountable officer to liquidate any public funds for which he is accountable upon demand by any duly authorized officer shall be prima facie evidence that he has put such missing funds or property to personal use and benefit.
Okay. So nakalagay dito sa 8.3, you are a lawyer as well, Mr. Witness, apart from an auditor. Ano ang ibig sabihin dito ng prima facie evidence?
Ang ibig sabihin po ng prima facie evidence under 8.3 ay nagkaroon po ng presumption na ginamit yung funds for the personal use and benefit of the accountable officers.
So kung ang accountable officer at masasabi mo ba na ang Vice President at ang and concurrently Secretary of Education, masasabi mo ba na accountable officer ito?
Based on the joint circular po, yes po, kasi under the joint circular, it shall be the responsibilities of the head of agency to oversee the agency-wide use of the confidential fund and to ensure compliance with the requirements of the joint circular. And also, inattest po ni Vice President in her capacity as the Vice President of the Philippines and the Secretary of the DepEd, yung certification ng accountable officers na ginamit yung pondo for their confidential expenses.
Ang confidential fund ba ay public fund?
Yes, ma'am.
Yung post-audit mo naman na sinabi mo ay irregular, may discrepancies. Ito ba ay ang in-audit mo ay liquidation documents ng Vice President?
For the fourth quarter of 2022 until third quarter of 2023 po. Yes, ma'am.
At sinabi mo yesterday at ngayong araw na merong mga pondo na hindi naman confidential funds, ginamit sa confidential funds. Or sinabing ginamit sa confidential funds pero wala naman dokumento. Tama?
Objection, Your Honor. Misleading as to dun sa sinabi na wala
Sustained,
namang-
counsel. Kindly reform.
Okay. So you said here that if an accountable officer, pag hindi na-explain ng isang accountable officer ang paggamit ng public funds, kagaya ng confidential funds, meron tinatawag na prima facie evidence. Anong tawag doon? Presumption?
Presumption po.
Presumption ng ano?
Under 8.3 po, presumption na yung fund po ay na-convert into personal use or benefit.
Presumption na na-convert for personal use or benefit applicable dito sa sinabi mo.
Conclusion of law, Your Honor. Calls for conclusion.
Your Honor,
Sustained.
that is...
Your Honor, all these matters are pending still.
Sustained.
Your Honor, please, ang tawag ko lang doon, hindi prima facie evidence. Kung akong tatanungin, scam ito.
Move to strike,
No
Your
further
Honor. Move
questions.
to strike. That is out of order, Your Honor.
No further questions, Your Honor.
So stricken.
Move to strike.
So stricken from the record.
Yan ang ating Bravo Balita. Salamat sa panonood. Follow at subscribe at like na po kayo sa aming Facebook, YouTube at TikTok channel.